free-floating, full torso. You need to launch your trap under it.
You okay? That was awesome. Great job. First ghost sighting in the Bay Area for decades, and I wasn't there to see it. It's fine. I'm not salty. I mean, you were lucky that one was just chilling. Don't get too cocky. If anything spicier comes by... What's going on? I've only got static. Gustav? What the hell happened? Well, this just got complicated and urgent. Find my proton pack and get out quickly, or the Ghostbusters will be framed. Again. I'm just going to put this out there, and I don't want to freak you out at all. It's possible that whatever killed Hookfaber is still in this place. Ah, there's a broken fuse. I expect that tripped the power. Fix it and get yourself home. Burnt fuse? Gustav's definitely the kind of guy who'd have some spares lying around. That's it. Now, pull the lever there for power. There you go. That elevator will be working now. As soon as you... Uh-oh. Look! My proton pack. Grab it. Look! My proton pack. Grab it. That's it! Now get out of there! This is bad. New plan. You're gonna get a quick lesson in particle run. Survived. Phew. Now maybe the doors will open? Sorry, friend. Work's not done yet. A couple more to trap. Bud, that's it! One more. machine looks like some kind of ecto-containment unit. Has the city been free of ghosts because Gustav was mopping them up this whole time? But why? Get ready. There's more coming. Ah, crap. When the ghost is tethered, you need to pull against it to damage it, but not too much, or the proton wand will overheat and the beam will snap. You sure you've never done this before? Wow, I mean, you're barely alive, but it was still impressive to watch. What the?
The time of the Ghost Lord is here!
Oh my god!
You released me! Now, your reward! Prepare to join me in the spirit realm!
This is crazy. Keep your head down, let them fight it out. I got a bad feeling whatever killed Gustav, we just released it into the city.